Hey guys, so this is a skateboard competition. Now, you gotta send in your best tricks, and you got to send in at least 3 tricks in one video. And so, first place gets one of these. First place gets 3 subs, 3 likes, and you get to go on our other channels. Now, second place gets, oh man, it's backwards. Well, here's what second place gets. 3 subs, 1 like, and still on our other channels. Third place gets 2 subs and 3 likes. Now, send in your best moves, and me and my crew will judge it. Okay? This is DJGMK crew. Okay, peace out.